Hi, this is Damien with Special Chem at the Eurocoat trade show. Today I'm interviewing Hans Ridderikhoff, Global Research and Technology Manager Coatings and Polymers with Croda. So Hans, what are the biggest trends in your field today?
Thanks, Damien. Croda Coats and Polymers is active in the field as raw material ingredient supplier of specialty surfactants, performance additives and bio-based building blocks. All of them have their own trends, and we are active in all different fields like sustainable polymers, such as increasing bio-based content in these polymers or longer lifetimes providing. We're working on functional coatings, looking at antimicrobial systems, self-healing systems. And there's still a lot of work ongoing on solutions for solvent reductions and solvent elimination actually. And we see a strong trend into high performance water-based coatings. On that latter part, we see that the development of these water-based coatings has been slow in the last years. And we see that the market acceptance, especially at the end, is pretty slow to do that. We do see an increasing interest in this type of materials now. And it starts actually with the high performance latex paints, but increasing as well in other systems like waterborne alkyd paints or water-based polyurethanes or epoxy-based protective coatings. So those are the key trends that we definitely see.
Thank you. And do you expect to see any new developments in your industry in the coming year?
Yes, certainly. Yeah, on the trends to high-performance water-based paints, we see an increasing focus on innovations and attention for all kinds of new solutions. So that's really a strong development trend in the technology. In the past, most of these systems for water-based coatings were water-dispersible polymers, but they were found to be very water sensitive in a way, so that the resulting coatings were often not sufficient for their performance. We found better results when we use externally emulsified resins. The process to achieve stable resins in that way, stable resin emulsions, is critical, and it needs quite some training, practice and education actually. And often some investments are required in equipment, in steering devices to be able to make these products in the right way. From our part, we see that the selection of the emulsifier system is found crucial. Conventional surfactants will tend to migrate to a surface, and then they will decrease the properties of the coating, such as gloss or scrub resistance. So we are looking for developments of new classes of non-migratory surfactants for these systems, and it can be through a more polymeric design of these surfactants or including reactivity in the emulsifier system. And another aspect that needs to be considered in that technology development is that most surfactants have a plasticizing effect in the final film, which is not desired. So it's important that you minimum the dosage of these products and you are able to adjust the formulations accordingly. This affects not only the surfactant system, but it actually requires a view to the total formulation. You also have to consider the dryer packages, the rheology modifiers, the rest of the dispersion system, because that might give compatibility issues with the chosen emulsifiers. So it's a broad approach.
Thank you. So, which market will drive the demand?
We actually see strong development for all waterborne coatings, driven by VOC legislations, but also the drive to reducing formulation costs. Possibly the strongest growth we see in the high-performance latex paints, such as for high scrub-resistant wall paints, high gloss applications of these latexes, also direct-to-metal coatings. The use of non-migratory surfactants is developing significantly for this application, because the required performance needs to be achieved. But we also see a strong growth in waterborne alkyds. There are current formulations in the market, mainly for the decorative market already, driven by the VOC 2010 regulations. And these formulations are mostly based on emulsified medium or long oil alkyds. This market is expected to continue to grow significantly, with increasing the performance due to the formulations that are getting improved. People know better and better how to formulate, and the better acceptance of these waterborne paints. But at the end, we also see now a strong increasing interest in industrial applications for these water-based coatings. And that's also driven by environmental awareness, but also the safety and health considerations for the painters that apply these paints, but also regional legislations like indoor air quality. And in this field, we see the growth of the epoxy resin emulsions, for protective coatings or polyurethane or industrial alkyds and polyester type of resins.
Okay, and what will be the greatest challenges?
For us, the challenges are mainly in with all these increasing developments for all these different kinds of systems. It's important that we find the right solutions of emulsifier systems for all these different type of resins. And it's critical for us that we work very closely with our customers in this field, use our experience of many years in this field in order to design or select the right emulsifier package and process in order to make this kind of resin emulsions that deliver the required performance. But the final challenge in the market will be the market acceptance. So even when we have proven together with our customers that the resulting waterborne paints have at least similar performances as their solvent-borne alternatives, these paints will feel and smell differently in the final application process. But we believe this is just a matter of time.
And finally, have you specifically launched something at the Eurocoat trade show?
Yeah, thanks, Damien. It's actually we are featuring here our new versatile polymeric emulsifier, Maximal 9107 it's called. And this is really specific polymeric surfactant for epoxy resin emulsifications. And we developed several formulation guidelines to emulsify liquid epoxy resin, but also solid epoxies and blends of those. And people will choose that depending on the final coating properties that are desired for applications. And these applications can be heavy-duty concrete floor coatings, it can be for glass fiber sizing, for composite materials, but also for direct-to-metal coatings. And with percentages of 5 to 10% on resin, we could demonstrate that the emulsions can be prepared with fine particle sizes and with an excellent tropical emulsion stability without affecting the dry film properties at the end negatively. So really proud with this development.
Thank you very much. This was Damien with Special Chem.